tip, we'll be focusing on alignment. Alignment has a lot to do with your anatomy, as well as what muscles you're using to help hold yourself while you dance. So alignment can be different for different dancers. Ella will help us demonstrate alignment today. We'll have her start in 6th position so we can look at the alignment from the front of the body. So first and foremost, you want equal weight on both feet to help you have a proper alignment upstairs. From here, we're looking at having your hips really level, shoulders level, and then also a relaxation in the front of your ribs, so your ribs aren't flaring and causing your shoulders to go behind your hips. As Ella turns sideways, we'll take a look at a couple other different alignment pieces. Now, Ella's legs are rather hyperextended, so that means that her knees come further back than some people. For this, she's just going to make sure that she maintains weight in her toes and continues to use her leg muscles to help support her hyperextension. Through her pelvis, we're looking for a neutral pelvis in our alignment. So in the frontal view, we saw this from the hips being nice and level. Side view, what we're looking at is the sacrum. So sacrum and tailbone pointing down towards the floor, while the front of your hips lift up towards the ceiling. You do this by engaging the front of your body and sending energy up through the front of your body and releasing your back body, sending energy down. Up through the shoulders, we want shoulder blades to be nice and relaxed, flat towards the spine and the rib cage. Again, ribs together, soft and down, nice long neck with her head exactly on top of her spine. In first position, our alignment will shift a little bit. So we'll start with our front view again. Now using our turnout, it becomes really important to hold on to all of those alignment tips that we had in our 6th position. Notice that Ella has her heels together in her first position with her feet nice and wide. From there, imagine that you just have corkscrews going up your legs in opposite ways. This will help hold and support your turnout. Then the same thing is happening through her pelvis, keeping it nice and level from side to side, shoulders as well. As she turns for a side view, you'll realize that she's holding on to all of her alignment that she had in 6th position, maintaining that nice neutral pelvis with a lift in front of the hips and an elongation through her low spine. Tendency when we turn out is to release this slightly. So Ella's going to show us what that looks like, letting your hips sway backwards behind you, creating a curl through your low spine, and then opening and flaring the ribs. When you do this, you aren't able to support yourself with your low abdominals. So now she's going to turn on her low abdominals, find her alignment once more.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.